Hey guys, welcome back to Ghost the Freelancer. For today's recording, we are taking the qualification mode for a hit from oneforma UHRS, and this is going to be AIDS AS Defensive FY22. It's the Japanese version. We do have a guideline, we can pull it up if you like, but basically, you just have to judge the query if this is going to be offensive, inappropriate, misspelled, incomplete, or foreign language, okay to show as suggestion. So, hold on a sec. I'm pulling up the guideline. Let me download it all for you. While waiting for the download, please be advised that we do have a Facebook group called uh, Click Worker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. You can join us there if you wish to join the weekly challenge wherein we motivate ourselves to earn as much as we can. So, according to the guidelines, the label will be okay to show as a suggestion, not okay to show as a suggestion. It'll be offensive or inappropriate, and then not okay to show as a suggestion, misspelled, um, gibberish, incomplete, or other language. Um, Not okay to show would be stuffs like evidence climate change is real, the Holocaust was a hoax, it's time for blacks to meet society halfway. Why do people support Trump? Trump, George, Lloyd, Trump, coronavirus, I don't even know what, Breonna Taylor. So these are the stuffs that's not okay to show. Now, for okay to show as a suggestion will be Holocaust, Disneyland, um, what else? This is a continuation of this one at the bottom. Okay to show would be Black Lives Matter website. Was what is is climate change? When was the Holocaust? Is Islam religion? George Floyd stuffs like those, which are not opinionating or leading to a specific perspective, should not have misspellings or other defects. Let's jump into the quali round. So for this one, again, since it's the Japanese version, I'm using a Google Translator to translate the entire website. So for this one, Jakuchu Shitochi daughter suicide. So that's offensive or inappropriate. Moving on to the next is this. Let me hit it OK here. Let me translate it all for you. Uh, Izoko Mochizuki is crazy. This is going to be offensive, inappropriate again. Yeah, we got it right. Moving on to the next is Chinese cause of death, offensive again. Translated, Yuko Ogara personality is tight. That's offensive or inappropriate. We got it right. Shape shifting presidents. That's offensive, I guess. Yeah. Israel population. It's okay to show as a suggestion. For this one, the Iya Seto unfaithful act. That's definitely offensive. Translate this one. Jakuchu Sitochi daughter suicide. It's okay to show. I mean, offensive again. Other medicines online for cheap. That's okay to show. We passed the qualification test. Let me show it to you all, but let me move here a bit. That's it. Okay, so again, my name is Ghost, the freelancer. I hope the video helps you out. It's an easy hit, but it's just tedious to work on because you need to translate everything from Japanese to English for you to be able to understand it. Again, I found this version of AS Defensive FY22 Japanese and one forma UHRS. I'm sorry. And if you all got a question how I got this one, I believe this is a hit that has a region locked because I am in Southeast Asia. I'm getting Japanese and Indonesian languages. You may also want to take language certifications in UHRS. You can give that a shot. Um, Maybe that will route other languages to your marketplace. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Ghost, and have a good day. Bye for now.